Hi loves, welcome back to the Good Food Baddie channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make vegan cheesecake. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, creamy, luscious, and 10 times better than your traditional cheesecake. So let's get started. First, I'm going to start with a cup and a half of dates and then 1 cup of almond meal. And then I'm going to blend the ingredients together until they form a sticky consistency. And you see it should be nice and thick, perfect for the crust. And now I'm going to transfer the crust into our muffin tin, and I'm just going to put about a tablespoon or 2 into each muffin opening. And actually, a nice trick to smooth out the crust is to use the bottom of a clean cup to press down to smooth out and even out the crust. It works perfect, and you can even put a piece of parchment paper between the glass and the crust so the crust doesn't stick to the glass. It's very easy and a handy trick. So now it looks perfect, and I'm just going to transfer the muffin tin to the fridge and set it aside while we prepare the filling. So I'm going to start with a cup and a half of drained soaked cashews. I like to soak my cashews in hot water for at least 30 minutes to an hour before using. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of coconut cream. Remember to use the solidified coconut at the top of the can, not the liquid. Now I'm adding 1/4 cup of coconut oil melted, 1/4 cup of maple syrup plus 1/4 cup of agave syrup. And now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. And I'm going to juice 1 lemon and add it, and I'm also going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I'm going to blend all these ingredients together until smooth. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm just going to pour the mixture into my muffin tin openings. It's smooth, it's creamy, it's perfect. And now I'm going to add my favorite toppings. You can add whatever you like. I'm going to start off with some frozen blueberries and just mix those in. And then I'm going to add some muddled raspberries. You can add whatever you like, peanut butter, crushed Oreos, whatever you prefer. I'm going to place this in the freezer for about 2 hours. And now it's all done. They look absolutely delicious and perfect. I'm just going to finish them off with some drizzled almond butter. I'm just adding some toppings here. You can do muddled strawberries, fresh fruit, whatever you like. But this is a nice, simple, easy recipe that tastes incredible. I hope you enjoy these delicious, luscious vegan cheesecakes. They're for vegans and non-vegans alike. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe. I post videos weekly. See you next time.